Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. This evening we are going to be looking at how to add different languages to your keyboard on your smartphone. You know, when you start using your smartphone, sometimes the only language you can type in is in English, or the language you preferred that is already on it. But I can show you another way that you can set up your languages to include your native language like Akan, Konkomba, Dagbani, those Ghanaian languages or the African languages that we have. You can include them in your video. You can add Ga to your language anywhere, whatever the language that you want, you can include it in your on your keyboard, that you can use it anytime. You see, there are some people that when they want to type in their native language, because there's no keyboard, or their keyboard doesn't have the letters of their language in on the keyboard, they cannot type it. Let's say you want to type something in Twi and your keyboard doesn't have a Twi keyboard, you cannot type it in Twi. That's where you see people typing something and then adding what do they call it? Let's say the person want to type something like pe, like p e then they'll add something like this instead of which is supposed to be in Twi. They will do something like this. So I am going to teach you how to do this thing. So first of all, what you do is you come to your keyboard. You can start searching for anything, or you can go to your keyboard. So when you come to your keyboard, like a keyboard like this, you come here. Okay guys, so you can see that there's a search button on top of the keyboard. You understand? On top of the keyboard, you can see that there's a search button there. So you just click on the search button. Then when it open, you can see all the features in the setting. The only thing you need to do is click on the languages at the top, the first one after the setting. The first one. So click on it. You can see here languages, English, and you understand. So you click on add keyboard. When you click on add keyboard, you can see the suggested languages there. We have Akan, Konkomba, Dagbani, Fanti, Hausa, Ewe, English, and then all the languages, other languages are there. You understand? A lot of languages, and these languages are all African languages. They are all African languages. You can choose from any of the languages that you want to include, so that whenever you want to type, you know, because of the English alphabet, some of the sounds are not similar, or they are not the same as in our local dialects. Let's say you want to say something in Akan, but those words or the sound is not in English. So when you want to type it with an English keyboard, it will be hard to type it. So you have to choose something that when you type, you cannot type in the language that you want. So you can add any of them, the one that you want. So me, I'll add Akan. That is one, Akan. Then I'll click on done. You see, Akan has been added here. Then I also want to add Konkomba, because that's my language. So when you click on it, you come to the down here, you click on done. You understand? So you can see I've added those two languages to my keyboard. So let's go back to my keyboard and see something. So let's say I want to type something. So when you want to change it, you can see at the down, the space bar on my keyboard, you can see that it is on English. You understand? It is on English. And if I want to change the language or the keyboard to a different language, what I need to do is I'll click on this globe icon on the keyboard beside the space bar at the left side. You just click on it. When you click on it, see it has changed to Akan. So anything that I will type here, it will be in Akan. You can see some of the Akan this thing alphabet or their sounds are there. The E is there and the O is also here. And then when you click on it again, it will change. It has changed to Lukpakpa. So the all the alphabets or the sounds in Lukpakpa is already here. You understand? So those are the things that you can get access to when you change your settings or when you go and add the languages. So this is how it is done. So you can now type in it. So let's say I am typing something in Lukpakpa like this. You can see it's there, Nani. So this is it. So let me type something in tree. Let's say say let me remove this one. As you can see, all this is now in tree. Say, and then you can see then P and then pepper. Let's say something like that. You want to search for something in tree like that. P and then and then P you see, those are the things that you get access to when you activate these things. So that guys, that's it. So please, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel because you are going to be receiving such videos like this, similar videos that you can help you to experience your phone more better. Thank you.